Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking.
Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris, and I got a new camera. I also got a new haircut. City girl, I took your advice. Short and curly. You're right, it does take years off. Hey, we're gonna do something really cool today. From that food pantry run, I got a ton of ramen, okay? So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to make shrimp and chicken ramen, but without all the salt. We're gonna make our own seasoning, okay? So, come on, let's go over to the stove and get a really cool angle with the new camera. All right, guys, I have got, of course, my ramen. I've got some chicken breasts, 3 of them to be exact, and some shrimp. I've got 3 packs of chicken bouillon, salt-free, okay? I've got 3 eggs. I've got a whole red onion chopped up. I've got my spices. I'm not going to use this one. That's lemon pepper. No. Got some parsley. I've got some Cajun spice, which I may or may not put in there. I don't know. I've got some turmeric, because that's the closest thing I have to ginger. I have 4 cloves of garlic chopped up in here. Low sodium soy sauce. Some black pepper. And the all-important, yes, sesame seed oil. That gives it that flavor you like, okay? I'm going to chop up this chicken breast, and I'm going to go against the grain. Why am I doing that? Well, that makes it more tender when it cooks. Otherwise, your chicken comes out tough. You see? Because this is white meat, okay? I see the thighs come out juicier, but the white meat tends to be a little dry, but it'll be perfect for our ramen. And then when I'm cutting it, it'll come out really nice. Yes, my hands are clean, and I'm going to wash them before I continue on. Now, don't worry about the shrimp being next to the chicken, because they're all going to go into the pot and cook, okay? The shrimp are going to go last because, what? They take the least amount of time. All right. Now, I'm going to chop up the rest of this. How's everybody doing out there? I'm so glad you let me know you like these longer videos. I am so excited about this dish. Because how many people out there have high blood pressure and they cannot have ramen or enjoy it the way they used to because of the sodium content? Well, guess what? You're back in action with this one. All right. Now that I've got my chicken cut up, I'm going to go over here, wash my hands, and we're going to go over and add it to my wok where the oil is heating up. All right. All right, the first thing I'm going to do, I've added some regular oil in here. Let that heat up a little bit. I'm going to add my sesame oil. Not too much, because sesame oil has a very strong taste, okay? Now, I'm going to bring the fire up a little bit on that. I'm going to add my chicken to this oil, okay? Uh-oh, one shrimp got in there. No, don't want that. Turn this fire up a little bit. I want that to start to sizzle. All right, y'all. You hear that? It's starting to cook really nice, because we want to kind of get a brown color to the chicken. That's going to add some really good flavor to it. Now I'm going to add my dry ingredients, because they got to reconstitute anyway. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of parsley. Okay. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of turmeric. If you don't have ginger, Use some of this. That will suffice in place of the ginger. Now I'm going to put in some black pepper. I'm a little heavy-handed on that, yes, I know. But you're only supposed to put a teaspoon. Let me stir this around. Oh, yeah. Oh, the flavors that are going to be in this, because I can already smell the aroma. Now, I'm going to put in probably about a tablespoon, or, yeah, I'll put in a tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. This gives the chicken a good flavor, okay? Be sure to stir it around. Yes, sir. And keep your fire up. Now at this point, it's not quite done, so I'm going to put in my garlic. Now remember, that's about 4 to 5 cloves I've chopped up and I've put in here. Get this around. The reason I didn't put my garlic in right away is because you don't want it to burn, and the garlic will be bitter. Bitter. Now, I want to thank all my new nieces and nephews that have joined. And my darling out there, you know who you are, that I brought that food to you out there in the south suburbs. I hope everything is all right. I'm going to be talking to you very soon. Look at this. Chicken is done. Looking good. Oh, yes. Now, I'm going to chop it up a little bit. But because I'm going to add my shrimp in just a second. Look at that. All right. I'm going to add my onion. Get that mixed up in here. Get it going. Oh, that smells so good. You know what I'm about to say. I wish they had smell-o-vision. We'll put a little more oil in here. Put some regular oil. Swish it around. And put my eggs. Now don't worry, the eggs ain't gonna get cold because remember you're putting over top of the hot soup, okay? Hold on, I'm so anxious to put these shrimp in here. Let this cook around. Yes. Now once these onions get translucent, they are done, and you can add the rest of the stuff. In the meantime, let me put a little bit of black pepper on my eggs. I'm going to divide them the best I can, y'all, okay? So I can flip them over the best I can, y'all. Okay. Let's go right in between them. Flip on right over. Lord have mercy. Y'all should see Uncle Mike. No. Oh my goodness. I have to do this. Uncle Mike, go over there. Go over there. Can y'all see this?
Pick it up.
Can y'all see this?
See my
Do y'all see this? He looks like a tropical drink, already drunk. Ooh, Lordy. Okay. I am through after that. Let me take, oh Lord. I'm gonna take these eggs out of here.
You don't like it?
No, it's cool. Especially for selling your roses. Uncle Mike sells roses, y'all. The electronic light ups and the regular real roses. Now look. Look at that. See how those onions are? Now, we're going to do two things. Well, you know what? No. I want to put in my liquid. This is the reason why I'm doing this. I'm going to put the shrimp last. I'm going to put in as much water as I think should be in here. You all follow the directions on the package. I believe it's 1 cup. I have 3 packs of ramen in here, you all. It don't look like much right now, but it is going to expand. I'm going to put in both of these packs. Then I'm going to give it a taste test to see if I want to put in the 3rd pack, because I do like a lot of flavor in my ramen. Remember, nieces and nephews, cooking is trial and error, and it's also tasting. That's right. Taste it to make sure it's right, to see if you need something, okay? That is good, but I want a little more flavor. So yes, I'm gonna put in that 3rd pack. You know I like to step it up. And just a pinch of Cajun seasoning. Okay. Now, we're going to let this cook down till the ramen has fully absorbed and cooked. And then we're going to add our shrimp and eggs. Okay. We're going to add our shrimp. They're pre-cooked anyway. But you can use raw shrimp. Okay. We're going to mix them in. Oh, yes. Mix them just a little bit more. You all, do you know how good this tastes? I wish you could know how good this smells. Yes. Now I'm gonna add me, because I'm me, a little more Cajun spice, because I just want a little heat to them. This is me. Oh, by the way, I invite you all to be on what I call a non-diet diet with me. Your Uncle Chris has to lose some weight, okay? Doctor's orders. And if you want to lose weight, come on the journey with me. I'm going to be cooking heart healthy meals. Besides low sodium, I'm going to cut the fat. I'm also going to show you how to make my yogurt dressings. Yep. No mayonnaise in them. Yogurt. Organic yogurt dressings with half the fat. Now I do use some olive oil. In place of olive oil, you could use avocado. I'm going to show you that too, okay? And instead of sugar, well, I do use some sugar, but I use brown sugar, not processed white sugar. And I also use in another of my yogurt dressings, honey. I make my honey garlic basil dressing with yogurt, and I'm going to show you that, okay? Now look, y'all, look. Look at this. Oh, it's done. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put our eggs over top. And there we go. How pretty is that? Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Mm-hmm. Nieces and nephews, it came out wonderful. Now, I use a spoon and a fork for mine. And of course, you're not going to see me burn my lips. Oh, this is comfort food. Yes. And just the right amount of heat. So, like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, wait, where's the camera? I'm looking at the right way. Okay. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like the longer videos. Let me know if you like the new recipes. Let me know if you like the new camera and the new look. All right. Let's see. I have a Q&A coming up. Live, okay? I'll let you know when. And I'll address all of the new subscribers. And I'll address some of your comments. I'm also going to tell you guys about the hate comments I got. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. Like, comment, and subscribe. 5,000 subscribers. Okay.